is for albatross. Albatross. Albatross flying high and free. Albatross. B is for bluebird. Bluebird. Bluebird singing in a tree. B bluebird. B. C is for crow. Crow. C crow, clever as can be. C crow. D is for duck. Duck. D duck, swimming happily. D duck. Duck. E is for eagle. Eagle. Eagle soaring through the sky. Eagle. F is for flamingo. Flamingo. F flamingo standing tall nearby. F flamingo. G is for goose. Goose. G goose honking as it goes. G goose. Ga. H is for hummingbird. Hummingbird. H hummingbird buzzing near a flower. H hummingbird. Ha. I is for ibis. Ibis. Ibis graceful and bright. Ibis. E. J is for jacana. Jacana. J jacana stepping light and free. J jacana. Ja. K is for kingfisher. Kingfisher. K kingfisher colorful to see. K kingfisher. L is for lark. Lark. L lark singing merrily. L lark. La. N is for macaw. Macaw. M macaw bright as can be. M macaw. Ma. N is for nightingale. Nightingale. N nightingale singing sweetly. N nightingale. Na. O is for ostrich. Ostrich. Ostrich running happily. Ostrich. P is for parrot. Parrots. P parrot talking playfully. P parrot. U is for quetzal. Quetzal. Q